Howdy people. We're using this to build our dividing curtain between the front of the van and the back of the van, and it's a special piece of aluminum from a glass shop, and we're using these holes where it had the push pins that held the roof liner in. So let's get started. We're using the tape that's on here to mark where the holes will be drilled to go into the headliner, and for bends in the material to match the contour of the ceiling. I'm going to dry fit that in, make sure everything looks like it's supposed to, and see if it needs any further adjustments. Now we're marking to drill our first hole right in the center. Having him cut some aluminum brackets for me to cut the ends for rivets in the corners. This will help strengthen and reinforce the curtain rod at the bends. Actually using little bolts here that match up with the threads for the plastic push pins that held the liner that we took out from this. It's important that those match, so we're using the same existing threads and not creating any new holes in the van or the liner or anything. I'm putting a straight edge here to measure across so that I know the cut in the curtains, because it goes from high to low at the ends, so I need to cut the fabric, and we're measuring for that here. It's late and it's getting dark, but we've started the installation here. I don't know what you call it, but it's like a split ring that opens and closes, and we're using those kind of similar to like a shower curtain rod or something like that. But yeah, I don't know the exact term for them, but the little metal rings that split and open in the middle, and we're going to put those across. We've put in just enough to hold it up, and now we're going to get the other side started, and then we'll come back and put more of those split rings in. we're going to sew Velcro into the curtains to keep it closed. And this is at the side. We're sewing that Velcro in and putting the other sticky side onto the van itself at the side to hold the curtain in place at the side of the chair, at the side of the van. For now, we're just going to tape this Velcro side to the side of the van trim, and if it does not hold up, then we'll put some screws in. But we're also going to put some Velcro in, sew some Velcro in between the two curtains in the middle. That way they'll hold shut. We want to keep that completely closed and all the light from coming through. We'll use it for that as well, but we're not going to video that. It's the same procedure. So that's essentially what this is. Catch you on the next video. Take care, guys.